The Use Case Manager app has seen an update, and I think it is worthwhile to do a short video to highlight one thing that I think it is very unique. When you see a rule here, you may see some of them with this yellow warning triangle. And that indicates that the rule, even though it might be enabled, is not working for you. And when you click on it, you see the reason. In this particular case, you need to populate the reference set that this thing works. It noticed that my reference set has no data in it, so this rule will be not good. Let's see some other instances where the app warns you about. See this one, for example. Review host definitions. Again, there's no data there, so it's not going to be very useful. Another that is particularly hard to detect is you may have a custom event property or custom flow property in the rule that is disabled. So therefore, the rule will not work on it, or is not indexed, so the rule will not work with it. So these are, interesting ways in which the Use Case Manager can help you make sure that your rule is actually working. And of course, the other thing that you should do is to ensure that you have log sources that are feedings. For example, this one, firewall denied, because this is normalized. It works with any firewall information from any one of these vendors. So you don't need to have one in particular. As long as you have one of them that is the one that is working in your environment, then that works. But for example, in the case of Windows rules, this is a case in which you need specific Windows logs, and the application should tell you here if you need Windows logs, and it really tells you so. So again, make sure that just because you have the rule and it's working for you, that will give you a false sense of security. So the Use Case Manager app with the new update should help you there.